Please don't get up. Don't get up, please. Thanks, Chief. All right, let's make it quick. Got some claims to get to.
Coach, it was a tough claim out there. You saw a lot of damage, a lot going on. How were you able to handle all that?
Right off the bat, we're gonna go with the stiff arm. You can claim what you want, but I'm gonna need to see some facts. I'm gonna need you to prove it.
The homeowner is they can't live in their home. Things are looking pretty rough for them. Anything you can do to help them?
My job is to apply the facts to the situation. So if you want to feel a good story, call your agent. I'm here for the black and white.
So all the damage, the smoke damage, the hole in the roof where the fire department came in and punched a hole to put out the fire, you didn't think that was a part of the claim?
Can we get a supervisor, please? Next question.
Did the fact that it was a disabled veteran change the outcomes at all?
First of all, I would like to take this opportunity to thank all of our veterans for their service. We have been covering veterans in their home and their properties for 90 years. Other than that, whatever damage they caused in Vietnam, sorry, it's not covered by us.
What about their temporary housing? Can they get some temporary housing?
You're free to come and go as you want. You're free to live wherever you want to. Are we going to pay for it? Absolutely not.
Now the critics are saying that you're not really considering the damage, that you're really not being a team player here. How do you respond to that?
I would like to see the critics' credentials. I would like to see their certificate of completion for their 40-hour adjuster online class.
Sir, the role of the insured only being with you for 2 years, does that play into whether you cover them or not on a loss?
At the end of the day, as far as the adjuster's concerned, they're a number on a paper. If they had claims prior to the 2 years starting with us, we're definitely going to find that, and we're definitely going to say that whatever damage they're claiming happened then. Yes.
So you've been in the game a long time.
About 6 weeks, yes.
Nearly 6 weeks. So what life events do you feel like prepared you for this one today?
I've seen a lot of television, just seen the same movies as you guys. My grandma had a flood claim. I have an uncle's cousin's dog who used to build houses, so I spent a summer with him. I've seen it all.
Any advice for the young hopefuls that are coming up behind you?
To be adjusters or to make claims?
Both.
Well, if you want to be an adjuster, again, get online, get your 40-hour course knocked out, send in a resume, and really just show up and do what you're told. It's pretty simple. So
let's get real. Let's get real specific here. You had fire. This house is burnt. It's charred. Correct. How do you address that?
Allegedly, there has been a fire, yes, but we're going to need an engineer to come in and confirm that. There's a lot of bad actors out there. There's a lot of PAs walking around with cigarette lighters and matches wanting to make smoke claims. So I understand the structure lost part of its roof, allegedly, but again, we'll need an engineer to confirm that.
Now, a lot of people talk about engineers, and they're claiming that the engineers are on your side the whole time. They've been in bed with the insurance companies for years. You have any response to that?
Our engineers are going to always be third-party professionals out of our umbrella. They don't answer to us. However, we do request and require that any reports they do fill out come back inconclusive. We need a back door as well as they need a back door. If these guys want to get hired again, they know this.
You got a real tough claim coming up.
I do.
What's the plan?
What's the plan? The answer is no. The answer is no.
How do you feel about your game next week against Clear Loss?
Clear Loss. We've had them on the roster before. Typically, we'll probably no-show them a few times. They normally are correct when they come with the policy language, laws. They know what they're doing. We'll no-show a few times. Last resort, we'll deflect to the engineers. And when that doesn't work, If we have to give in, then what I'll do is I'll go to the cubicle next door. I'll have him send a letter telling them that our adjuster's no longer with us and he's the new guy, so he can deal with it.
The old adjuster switch up.
The old adjuster switcheroo. You know, it's just necessary sometimes. You know, these guys get, you know, you can't get them thinking that they're going to pull this every time. So, you know, very few homeowners know about these PAs. Very few homeowners know, you know, they have an option to protest our decisions. That's not something that we advertise. That's not something we want out there. You know, those guys really raise your rates. People who will advocate for a homeowner and get them indemnified and get them paid is what's causing the rates. It's not us denying clear and obvious. It's not us hiring engineers and third-party experts. It's not the lawsuits and the litigations that we constantly find ourselves in. It's people who are protecting themselves and you know, wanting to be paid fully what they're entitled to. Listen, guys, it's early September. Football season's coming up. We got Mahomes to pay for. We got Reed to pay for. You know, the Nets catching every single field goal. That stuff's not free. Airspace, you know, we have to get customers. It's been a very, very busy season with all the natural disasters. It cost us millions and millions of dollars to get on TV and advertise how much we're helping you folks. We can't just pay every roof claim. We can't pay every flood claim. I'm sorry your house burned down, but think about football season, please.
So are you saying that you can't afford to pay the claims because you're advertising to tell people that you pay claims?
I'm saying as a entry-level employee for my carrier, I have to consider paying both sides. I have endorsement deals to consider. I have premiums to consider. How much was collected? How much is going out? How much is in the banking account? How much interest are we collecting? And I can tell you that all those things do take precedence over your water leak.
Is it true that your CEO made $20 million last year?
By CEO, I believe they have an open door policy is what we were told in orientation, so feel free to go ask him. First and foremost, I'd like to thank my Lord and Savior for all he's done for us, providing us here, this great ability, this great career. I would like to thank the homeowners out there who do not contact Clear Loss Consultants. I'm thankful for the bonuses, thankful for the questions. Shout out to my engineers. Y'all keep it going. Y'all keep us going. Any further questions? All right, thank you.